Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve one more question which is less than 500 rating. So the question is, who is taller? Alice and Bob were having an argument about which of them is taller than other. Charlie got irritated by an argument and decided to settle the matter once for all. Okay, so the Charlie measured the height of Alice and Bob and got to know that Alice height is X centimeter and Bob height is Y centimeter. Help Charlie to who is taller. Okay, so there is Alice and Bob who is always having an argument at who is taller. So the Charlie is a boy who is got irritated by their regular argument. So he decided to find the height of both of them and settle down the matter. So who is the taller? Okay, so the X height is of Alice and Y height is for Bob. So you have to decide, we have to help the Charlie to decide whether of them is taller. Okay, so it is not guaranteed that X is equals to Y. Not equals to Y. So here is given that Bob and Alice is not equal, means their height is not equal. So there is given a integer t which is containing the number of test cases, and the first line is given x and y. Okay, so the number of test cases given 2, and the first is Alice and the second is Bob. If Bob is taller, then you just have to print B, and if Alice is taller, then you just have to print A. Okay, so first you have to take, so let's suppose there is given 150 which is of Alice height and the Bob height is 160. You just have to check whether which of them is taller. So you just have to check if B is greater than A, then you just have to print C out A. Okay, and if A is greater than B, then you just have to C out, sorry, you have to print B here and A here. So you have to print A here. So I hope you understand the question. So let's take a number of test cases. int t, and then cnt while t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to check int x comma int y, and then cn x cn y. Okay, and then you just have to check if x is greater than y, then you just have to do C out A, else you just have to do C out B. Okay, you just have to do endl after this. So let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching it.